No, don't be scared.
You want to feed it again?
Here, I have another one here.
No, he's still eating. Ano kaya ba? There, nasa ano yun? Oh.
How would they feed it to yan?
Okay.
I would.
Sumama na. Ano yung pakainin ni Veda ulit? Yung nasa gilid.
Ah, nasa pa oh. Ba, isa tulog na.
Tulog yung isa.
You want to experience boat riding? Ganito boat, small boat?
Nag-finish na kami yesterday eh.
Bike lang, no?
Wala kasi mag-bite.
Wala na. Kaya ako na.
Sure.
Ito kay mama. Ito kay mama.
Kumakain ko siya.
Wala lang sound eh.
Can you get the other one?
Yes eh. Kumain sila?
Give me that, ma.
Nakuha mo ba?